Okay, so we were implementing functions for our Hangman game. So first of all, in previous video, we implemented word gust this function, and which was working fine. There is an example usage case that given along with this PDF. So let's try this case and find whether our program is working fine. So each word gust, and this is a simple program. Two inputs, secret word and letters gust. This one is string, this one is list of letters. It returns a boolean if true if secret word exactly matches with all the letters in this list, and false otherwise. Okay, so we search this method. Okay, secret word is apple. In this example also secret word is apple. Letters gust is this. So we pass the same here. The answer should be uh, false. Why? Because this apple word doesn't exactly match with match with the string when we combined all these letters together. EIKPRS, which is not even a valid word. So we want to see the output, so I'm adding print here, and so the answer is false. So the function is working. So we can move to another other function. Next function is getting users guess. Okay, next implement the function get use gust word that takes in two parameters, a string. The input is two parameters, one is string, secret word, and list of letters gust, just like the previous function. The function returns another string. The function returns another string that is comprised of letters and underscores based on what letters in letters gust are in secret word. This shouldn't be too different from, okay, we are going to use an underscore. Okay, oh, it's long, it's very long. So let's move to usage. So we are going to implement this get gust word. Its input is secret word, which is a string, and letters gust, which is a list of string. Okay, so the output will be another string. The logic is like this. If any letter in this letters gust is present in our secret word, then it will show there the exact position of that letter. Okay, so for example, P is present in a letters gust as well as secret word, so it will show P on position 0, 1 and 2. Okay, but A and L, which is not in letters gust list, so it will not show that letter in our output. Instead of that letter, we will show an underscore along with a space. Okay, there is underscore along with a space. So we are going to implement this function. The function name is get gust word. Function name is get gust word. This word gust. Okay, this word get gust word. So okay, so first of all we have to uh, think about it. Okay, so we have um, a secret word, which is where is it, pen. Okay, which is for example it is apple, and we have a list of strings, for example x, a, uh, L L. Okay, so first of all we have to create a string. So my plan is like this. Okay, as of now my plan is like this. Okay, uh, okay, first create a list. I'm not sure whether it work or not. First create a list with the uh, with, with the same number of element as that of our secret word. This is secret word. This is our secret word. The same number of secret word, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is this? Go away, please go away. Why? Let me refresh. So before so my plan is like this. Just create a list of underscores. The length of that list will be the same as that of the length of our secret word. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So first I will create a list with 5 underscores. Then I will start iteration. So uh, so if the first letter the first letter of is our secret word A is in our list, then I will place that letter here instead of uh, underscore. Okay, what happened to this? Okay, all these glitches happens when we start recording, otherwise it's work fine. Okay. Oof. Okay, so at first I will have 1 2 3 4. Okay, remove this one. 1 2 3 4 5 underscores. Then I will start iteration. At first I will check whether A present here, then I place that letter A on the same place here. I remove this underscore and place A. Place A. Like that. I will search for P. No P present in list, so it will be uh, underscore only. Next I will search for L in the list. Here there is L, so underscore is deleted, L is placed, like that. Okay, so that's my plan. So let's code get secret word. So first we have to create a uh, list of underscores. Okay, I think there is a shorthand method. I'll try uh, gust. What should be the list name? um, User gust word list. Oh, it's low along, so we can remove that user guest word list, which is equal to a list of underscore with length of secret word. I'm not sure whether this one work or not, so I'm just not defined. Why it is not working? Then we have to search print guest word list. User guess. What was the function name? This word guess, no. Get guest word. Get guest word. Now print is needed. Okay. So I have to search. What I have to search? I had to create list with repeating elements method. Okay, 73. Okay. Oh, it was a simple mistake, and it was very newbie mistake also. Underscore is not defined. We have to convert that to string. That's it. It will work. Look, secret word was apple. So apple has 5 letters. So here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5 underscore is present. So that's working fine. So next, so how should we, for first I iterate through all letters guessed. So letter in letters guessed. Iterate this list. Then I search in secret word, but this time I will use index. So for index in range of length of secret word. So first I iterate through this list. So letter will be each letters present in this list. For each case we will iterate through secret word. Index will give each index of the secret word. So our condition is if letter equal to secret word index then what we'll do, we will remove the underscore and place that letter in it. So guest word list index equal to that letter. So we are assuming all these letters present in letter guest list is in lowercase, all secret word is in lowercase. So that's it. last we will return guest word list. Mm, okay, let hope it works, I think. Okay. I'm using the same example. Okay, so secret word and let us guest. We have to print that. We have to print that. So save and run. Underscore pp, yeah, it's working fine. Underscore pp underscore e underscore pp underscore e. Okay, fine. Not fine, not fine, not fine. Here the output should be in string, but here the output, our output is in list, so we have to convert that list to string. So what should we do? But there should be space in between underscores, so we can add this. I think that problem will be solved here. Next we can make that this to string by join. I'm not sure, but I think it will work. If it is not working, then we have to search in Google. It's not working, so we can check in Google. We already done that, no? Here this one is list. Okay, so okay, first we have to give the separator. So the syntax is like this. First we have to give separator. We are not using any separator. We also already use the space separator here. Then join, then in bracket guest word list. I think it will work. It will work. Yes. APPLE. Let me check this. A underscore space P underscore space E. Correct. What if the list doesn't have any elements? Then Q. Then it will give a string with all underscores. Yes, it's also working. So that function implementation is completed. 2 functions down, we have many more function to implement. Okay, we will discuss that in next video.